Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, we're going to learn about possessive pronouns. Okay, we use possessive pronouns to show that something belongs to us or something is owned by us, okay, or someone else. So let's take a look at the board. Now, last time we learned about subjective pronouns, and here they are, okay? And in another video, we talked about possessive adjectives. And here they are, okay? And over here are the possessive pronouns that we're going to talk about in this video. Now, possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns are the same. They show possession, which means I own something. Something belongs to me or to someone else, okay? The only difference is that they're used a little differently. For possessive adjectives, you have to put a noun after, okay? My dog, okay? But for possessive pronouns, you don't have to put a noun after it, okay? You can just say mine, okay? So let's go through each one. My, mine, okay? And this is the same. His, his. Okay, for her, we say hers. We add an S, hers. It's, its. Again, it's the same. Your, yours. We have to put an S, yours. Our, ours. And their, theirs. Okay, again, I know that this can be really confusing, but let's practice some more, okay? And let's move on to the next part. Okay, let's look at these examples. We have to put in some possessive pronouns. Okay, that lipstick is, okay, well, we have the noun lipstick, and usually a girl or woman wears lipstick. So we're going to use the possessive pronoun hers. Okay, that lipstick is hers. Okay, the next sentence. That sports car is, okay. Again, usually a man will drive a sports car. So we can say that sports car is his. Okay, now let's look at these last two. This money is mine, not yours. This money is mine. It belongs to me. It doesn't belong to you. It's not yours. Okay, so in this video, we learned possessive pronouns. I hope you understand, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!